Now, one of the things that affects your views on your channel, causing you to have low views, is depending on the way you upload your videos on YouTube. Now, I know there is actually a particular segment on the YouTube studio that tells you when your viewers are active on YouTube, but YouTube actually says it that it doesn't affect the long-term effects of your views on YouTube. But one thing you need to know is you have to strategically be able to know when to post your video. Now, it is possible for you to post a video today and still post a video tomorrow, and it's going to be fine. And it's also possible for you that to post a video today, and if you also go ahead and post tomorrow, you are going to affect your views on your channel. Because if you're not aware, there is something known as video competition on YouTube, or that's what I prefer to call it, right? Now, you might upload a particular video today, and tomorrow, if you go ahead and upload another video, it starts to compete. That's YouTube, it starts to compete with how much YouTube recommends the previously uploaded video. But there is still a way you can tell whether to upload the next day on YouTube. I'm going to go into my phone screen now and show you the difference between some videos I was uploading back to back and when I spaced out my videos. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually tell when it is right for you to upload the next day, or for you to give some spaces in between before you upload your videos. And if this is your first time meeting me, hi, you're welcome. I'm Glory Ceey, and on this channel I help both small and new content creators to grow their channels on YouTube. I tell you mistakes that you want to avoid, and then I tell you tips and strategies that you want to imbibe so you can quickly grow your channel and get monetized fast. So if this sounds like something you want for your own channel, I will encourage you to go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Like I would always say, it's free of charge. And do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up so it can get to a lot more content creators like you. And with that being said, let's get into my phone screen. Just going to go into my YouTube page, right, and show you example of some videos that I was uploading. So this is my video. Let me just go down to when I was uploading, because if you don't know, there was a time I was actually uploading every day on YouTube. Now, there is a difference between this one and when you want to go on a challenge. There are differences. Let's assume your channel is still very new and you want to go on a challenge, maybe a 2 weeks challenge where you'll be uploading daily. It is quite different. But look at this one now. Let's go down to way back when I was uploading like every day. So if you look at my videos here, you can see all this period I used to upload every day on YouTube. You can see 218 views, 117 views, 278 views, 216 views, 209 views, 436 views, 197 views, 443 views. But then let's now go back to when I started spacing out my videos. Let me just go back to when I started spacing out my videos and show you. So you can see this particular one. This one I uploaded it. Okay, so this one I uploaded all these ones in a month. But then this one I uploaded it. Okay, I got 48k views on this one. I did not upload the next day. In fact, should I go into my YouTube studio to show you? But I did not upload the next day. The next one I got one, of course, this one went viral, so it's 48k. This one 1.4k. This one 843. This one 1.7. And I think it was after this I now decided that, okay, you know what, I'm going to start spacing out my videos. This one now got 2,000 views. The next time I uploaded it, this one got 11,000 views, and then I did not upload immediately. The next time I uploaded, this one got over 9,000 views. I still did not upload immediately. The next time I uploaded, and I'm looking at just the long form videos, this one got over 2,000 views. I did not upload immediately. The next time, this one got over 4,000 views, almost 5,000 views. So can you see the way it is? Now let me go into my YouTube studio to now show you how you can actually tell when to upload. So this is okay. So this is my YouTube studio. Now let me use this particular part to show you. Okay, so let's click on this particular one that has 48,000 views. If you come down here to where you have the video performance, this is actually a very important part. Okay, so if you come down here, you look at this part that says ranking by views. That's the first thing you want to look at. Right now this one is ranking 1 of 10 views. Now ranking by views simply means it's going to show you the time that you uploaded this particular video and compare it to other videos, and then see how it's ranking. Like this particular video, I uploaded it. This is the first 46 days, 14 hours of this video being uploaded. These other ones you can see also, this was also the first 46 days, 14 hours. This is the view number of views that these videos were having as at the first 46 days, 14 hours. So it's going to compare. So this one is doing best out of all of them. Let's go back. That's one thing you should hold at the back of your mind. Now, that you should keep at the back of your mind. Now, the next one you want to check is the impressions click-through rate. This one now is 6.2%, and the arrow in front of it is showing green and is still pointing upwards. So that is to tell you that people are still clicking on this particular video. But note that this particular video is actually a viral video. So this one might not really affect how when next to post your other video. So let's just go back and click on this one that says, okay, let's go back and click on this one that says 843 views. Now, this one is showing, if you look at the ranking by views, it is 7. Compare it to the other ones, you can see that the other ones are doing better than it, the ones on top. Now it is 7. So if you now look at the impression click-through rate, you can see it is 3%, and the arrow is gray and it is facing downward. This is telling you that this video is, people are actually not really clicking on it. If I tap on the little eye in front of it, you can see YouTube says people aren't choosing to watch this video as often as some of your other videos. Changing the title or the thumbnail can attract more viewers, but some topics may just get fewer clicks. Okay, so I can decide to either change the title or whatever. Do you understand? But now, because this one is having lower clicks, I can decide that, okay, I'm going to go ahead and post another particular video. Because this one is having lower clicks, it's not even having a good impression click-through rate. The views, number of views is not encouraging, the ranking is not actually encouraging. So I can decide so YouTube is not really recommending, because people are not choosing to watch. So the next day I can decide to go ahead and upload another video, and it will not affect me. If YouTube starts to recommend a new video, it is actually good for me. So what I did on this particular day, this was on the 21st of July. Now let's see the next video that I uploaded. You can see I uploaded on the 22nd of July. I did not give it any space because I looked at the analytics, the video performance, and saw that the video was not actually doing well. So I went ahead to upload another video, and look at it. The ranking by views is 3. Can you see it started? This one, YouTube actually went ahead to recommend this particular video. Now if we look at the impressions click-through rate, this is just 3%. So you can see that because it's just 3%, I can still go ahead to actually upload another video because the impression click-through rate is low. But let's assume the impression click-through rate is probably like 7%, 10%. Do you understand? I'll wait and give it some days before, maybe like 1 day space or 2 days space before I upload another. Especially if after 1 day or 2 days, I see that the impression, people are still really clicking on it. I'm going to go ahead and leave more space so that people will keep on clicking and YouTube will keep on recommending, and it is going to get as many views as it can get before the impression click-through rate will start reducing. Then I can now go ahead to upload another video. Let me just use one more video before I call it a day on this one. So let's go ahead and click on this particular one. Now you notice that this one I did not upload. Look at this, is the next video. Take note, this is the next video. I did not upload it immediately. Do you understand? I gave a day space. That the one I showed you initially was 22 rather. I left day 23. I left July 23 and went ahead to upload this July 24 because I wanted that one to have more time to gain traction. Do you understand? Before I now went ahead to upload this particular one. As at now, the impression click-through rate is 4%. Note that this is already this is over 1 month of uploading this video. So you can see the impression click-through rate has reduced. It's over 1 month. Okay, so now if we go ahead to this other one, okay, if you look at this other one, you see I still gave another space. The previous one I showed you was uploaded on the 24th. This one I gave space 25, day 25. I did not upload on day 25. I went ahead to upload on the day 26. Do you understand? And the views did even way better. So, and if you look at the impression click-through rate is 6%, and it says, well done, people on YouTube are choosing to watch this video more often than usual. So this is to tell you that before you go ahead and upload the next video, you want to go to that impression click-through rate and look at it. Tap on that little information there and see what YouTube is telling you. If YouTube is telling you that people are not choosing to watch that video, you can decide to change the title and watch it for a few hours and see whether it's going to change. If it's not changing, and you see people are not clicking on it, the next day you can go ahead to upload. But if you upload a video and you click on that impression icon and you see that people are actually watching that video, you want to give it space. you can give a day space, and if after a day you see that people are still clicking, give it another day. Let people still watch, let that video still gain traction. Unless if you go ahead to just create, upload another video when that initial video is still trying to gain traction, that's trying to gain views, sorry, it's still trying to gain views, then you are going to restrict how much views it's going to get, especially if it's not a viral video. YouTube will leave that one, and then not like totally leave that one, but it's going to focus more on the newly uploaded video. So that means you're not giving enough space for the previously uploaded one to gain more views. Do you understand my point on this video? So uploading daily is might not actually favor your channel if you are not doing it strategically. Do you understand? Do not forget, I take both YouTube and video editing one-on-one coaching sessions, and I also have a general coaching session that's coming up on the 13th of September, where I'm going to be showing you in depth your YouTube studio, how to study your YouTube studio. Many people do not know that your YouTube studio is one thing that can help your channel to really grow on YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to be taking time to show you exactly everything on YouTube studio, and this applies to all niches, how you can read your YouTube studio analytics, everything from A to Z. Okay, and it is just 5,000 naira, guys. After September 13, if you want this, it's going to go back to my normal price. Hit me up on Instagram so you can sign up for this. I'm taking only 20 people. Do you understand? So that I can be sure that these people would understand what I'm teaching them. Glory Ceey on Instagram, and then get registered. Okay, do not forget, I take both YouTube and video editing one-on-one coaching sessions, and I also help you with anything surrounding your YouTube page. So if you need help with that, just chat me up on Instagram. I'm Glory Ceey on Instagram. And do not forget to watch this particular video where I shared a lot of vital information that's going to help you as a content creator on YouTube. And I'll see you either on this particular video or in class. Bye for now. Mwah.